Hi, my name is JC. I'm with FH and Associates. Today I'm going to be showing you how the Mighty M pressure washer works. We have here the 4000 psi pressure washer. 4000 psi. We're showing that today because you do need that to be able to run the 20-inch surface cleaner. Uh, First of all, I'm going to go over safety. Most important safety, definitely some safety glasses, and then some closed-toed shoes. Uh, Definitely prefer boots or some rubber boots like this. Please do not wear sandals during operating a pressure washer. You got, up to 4,000 psi of water pressure. You inject that into your foot, it's going straight through, and you're going straight to the hospital. So please wear safety glasses and preferably some boots. Go over the operations of the machine. Most of your pressure washers, gas pressure washers, are just like a lawnmower. So you have your choke, your RPMs. On this particular one, you have your on and off switch here. So you're gonna turn on, and your gas on and off is here. And I tell everybody all the time, when you're transporting these machines, make sure to turn off your gas. So that way, once you get to your job site, if it's been sloshing around, it's not going to be flooded when you try to start your job. So go ahead and turn that off when you're transporting it. So make sure it's on, and then you're going to turn your choke on, and then this is your RPMs here. We'll go ahead and turn the RPMs all the way to the left, which is fast, little rabbit. And then, of course, most important, make sure your water is turned on when you try to start the machine. On this particular one, I have an attachment to turn on and off the water at the hose. So right now I have it in the on position so we can spray and go ahead and start it up. Probably can't hear it running, but it's pretty loud. And so I've got 50 foot of hose running to the wand. So I have the regular attachments. It's a 35-degree angle tip. We've got several other sizes. Um, we got a yellow, and the red is a 0 degree. I'm just going to show you how these the tips that come with the machine, how they work, and then we'll move on to the other accessories. So with these tips, they work pretty well. They get the job done. But they take a little bit longer uh, to get the job done. So Mighty M came out with a little rotary nozzle. It's in all Sherwin-Williams in the tip cabinet. So it just goes on like a normal tip. This rotary nozzle, once you start it up, it's going to spin in circles, and as you see it, it's going to knock out a lot of the dirt really quick. And the closer you get to your surface, the harder it's going to work to get rid of those tough stains. Get back out a little bit, get a little bit bigger pattern if you wanted to. So this rotary nozzle, it's worth its weight in gold. And we'll switch over to the 14-inch surface cleaner. So this connects right onto the gun. Just like that. And once you pull the trigger, this thing's going to want to take off. So make sure you keep a little bit of pressure to keep it down on the ground. But as you can see, It cleans a much larger area much faster. And then we'll jump over to the 20-inch surface cleaner. Gonna cut off the water, drop the pressure, then unhook the hose, and then switch over to what I call the Cadillac, the 20-inch surface cleaner on wheels. You connect it on there, turn back on your water, make sure you're at full pressure, because in order to run this machine, you need 4,000 psi. So make sure your pressure is cranked all the way up. You just pull the trigger and go to town. And as you can see, with ease, clean up large areas very, very fast. And just like that, this whole area is clean. And we'll put our drop our pressure, and disconnect. And then cut off our pressure washer. You can drop the RPMs a little bit, and then cut on the off switch here. Just turn it off. Then you're good to go. So with this demonstration really shows, um, if you have the right tool for the job, you're going to be able to get your job done so much quicker. Time is money. So with each tool that we showed you, it was a step up. So production wise, it's going to get the job done faster. So the rotary nozzle was your first step up, and then your 14-inch surface cleaner here. And then the best one is going to be your 20-inch surface cleaner, what I call the Cadillac. It's going to get the job done really fast, especially big areas, apartment complexes, your breezeways, your parking lots. Time is money, so having the right tool for the job is going to make production a lot faster. And um, last thing we have, just show you, if you have an area that any of these things cannot get the dirt off the ground, or the graffiti, the oil spills, for some reason it's just really pesky spots not coming off. This is the detergent injector. So this part's going to go right onto here. So you're going to put this part on, put your hose back on, and then this is going to go directly back into your bottle of detergent. And once you crank everything up and start spraying, it's going to infuse with the water and concentrate and get that detergent into those tough to get spots. And Sherwin-Williams carries several different detergents depending on what you're trying to remove off the floor. And that's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate your time. You have a great day.